Hey guys, just wanted to do a video for all you call nuts. This is a Black River Tyrant. This video is long overdue. Bryce sent me this call a month or two ago, and between hunting season, working 7-8 nights in a row, flying here and hunting there, I just really hadn't made the time, honestly, and it was just a big mistake on my part. But I just want to kind of run this call for you and kind of just show you the ins and outs. I mean, for the price, it's really, really hard to beat this duck call. It's a really good hunting call. This is just a molded version, and I mean, walking around at the bottom end, it's real easy to get. It's not tight. I mean, just take a listen. So you can tell it's got enough back pressure to get your little squeaks in it, but it's real loose because you can just roll through those like if you were just feeding real fast. So there's bottom end. I mean, you can tell that it's not super hard to get that out of it. And then on the top end, you can jump on it like a cut down with notes, or you can blow it like a regular J-frame. Your pop notes are going to sound like this. So you can tell like I'm not super out of breath. It's not hard to hit those notes, and then you can also just kind of hit it like a normal J-frame meat call. So there's kind of just a little bit of the range. It's got a good range on it. It's got a good sound, good rattle, good fullness, good tone to it. So it's a good call. Check it out. I'm just going to kind of just do a little short 20-30 second segment of just kind of blowing the call. Good call, guys. Check him out.